Hi yogis, namaste, Melyssa here from Mystical Stone. Welcome to your day number 5 of our 30 days of yoga for personal transformation. Today's practice is all about having fun, connecting with the inner child, and lightening up the heart. So for today's practice, we're gonna need a large towel or a blanket. And before we start with our practice, we're gonna get ready with that. So you can go ahead and grab one. And when you're ready, if you have a large towel like I have here, I'm actually folding it first in half. And then I'm gonna find the longest end, which in my case is this way. So this is the longest, and that's where I'm going to start folding. So from that folded edge, I'm gonna make a roll, very, very tight roll. Tuck the fabric in so that we're gonna make a noodle. Actually, if you have a pool noodle, you can use that. I think it's all about in the technique. Look at this. Now you just want to make it as tight as you can. And then we're gonna let it just be. And keep it like the folded, or like the edge. Just keep it at the bottom and put your noodle aside for now. And we're gonna start standing on Tadasana. Now you're on your Tadasana, check down on your feet. You want to have about a fist distance between the toes and the knees. Activate your quads so your knees point straight forward. Lift the toes to activate your arches, and you'll notice that your buttocks also help. Positioning your pelvis in a neutral place. So you want your pubic bone and hip bones perpendicular to the floor. And relax your shoulders back and down a few times, hands by your sides, palms face forward. We'll take a few moments here, observing the breath, rooting through the heels, through the balls of the feet, lifting those arches, lifting those toes. Send your weight a little farther back, right on your ankles, stacking those knees over the ankles, hips, and shoulders over the heels as well. And we'll take 2 more breaths here, expanding into the belly, side ribs and chest, and releasing from the chest, side ribs and belly. 1 more Dirga Pranayama, breathing in and breathing out. Tuck your chin and blink your eyes open and release. Walk it out. Now we're gonna work with the mudra, Adler mudra. Close your hands into a fist and then release the index and the pinkies. So from here, we're gonna bring the elbows to the level of the shoulders and move your arms. Your elbows stay up, your shoulders stay down, and bounce from side to side. Close your eyes, breathe. So my teacher used to call this music conductor. So that's exactly what you're gonna do in your mind. Remember, this practice today is about having fun. But while we do that, just letting you know, we're also working with the lymphatic system. We are squeezing those lymph nodes of the armpits. So go and create big movements with your arms. And breathe, by the way. I think I haven't said it enough. Play a song in your mind and follow that with your arms. Lift your feet if you want to. Make sure that if you rotate to the side and you take your pelvis, you don't torque your knees. One more breath like this. And then release. Shoulders back and down. And release your mudra. Notice. Tuck your chin when you're ready. Blink your eyes open. Where did you end up? And walk it out. Awesome. Now, when you're ready, you're gonna walk your feet and let your knees and your feet just be in line. So kneecaps and toes are pointing on the same direction. So don't worry if you're a little bit pigeon-toed. And when you're ready, reach your arms to the sides and swing side to side. And as you swing to one side, your hand may gently tap your lower back, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. You can move the opposite foot and rotate your knee in to avoid torquing it. Stimulating the adrenal glands here. Make sure you're breathing deeply. Maybe close your eyes once again. Observe and don't let your mind wander. And come back to center and breathe. Shoulders back and down. Where did you end up? Okay, awesome. Now, when you're ready, we're gonna bring your feet wide apart. Next one, you wanna watch for your back. Don't overdo it. Bend your knees a little bit, hinge from your hips, and bring your arms down. Now, you can keep your hands on your hips. And as you take your next inhalation, move, circle your body to the right, gentle back bend. Exhale, hinge forward and down. And again, inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale, gentle back bend. And exhale, stay down. 3 more in the opposite direction. Inhale. And exhale down. Again. And exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale, stay down. Let your arms relax. Move your body side to side. And when you're ready, bring your hands to your thighs. Bend your knees a little more. Come half lift. Move your shoulders down. Maybe look forward or up. And then exhale, gaze down. Walk your hands up the legs and relax your shoulders. We're going to move towards the top of the mat. And find your Tadasana. Bring your hands together in Namaste and adjust your shoulders. And when you're ready, reach your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, hinge from your hips, hands by the heart, lower. Step back with your right foot, knee down. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. And pick up the knee, plant the hands, and step back on your downward facing dog. The next time we inhale, we bring the knees down onto the floor, uncurl the toes, shift your body forward and lower. Lengthen through the spine, baby cobra. Exhale, use your knees and push yourself back onto your downward facing dog. Adjust your downward dog, walk it out if you need to, and then breathe deeply here. The next time we inhale, we bring the left knee down and the right foot between the hands, lengthen through the spine, look forward or up. Exhale, curl the back toes, pick up the knee and step forward. Bend the knees a lot. Inhale, reach up, all the way up, back bend, and exhale, hands to heart. And again, inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to heart, lower. Inhale, step back with your left foot, knee down, look forward. Exhale, step back on your downward dog, stretch your downward dog. Inhale, use your knees to lower onto baby cobra. Shift your body, tuck your tailbone, chin and chest down if your shoulders allow. And exhale, push back onto your knees, curl the toes, and go back to your downward facing dog. On your next inhalation, bring your right knee on the floor, step forward with your left foot, look forward or up, curl the toes, and step forward as you exhale. Bend your knees, extend your arms to the sky, reach, maybe back bend, exhale, hands to heart. We'll take a few moments here. The next time you inhale, bring your hands to your hips and step back with your right foot and turn towards the long end of the mat. Micro bend your knees, hinge from your hips and lower, bring your hands onto the floor and adjust yourself on the mat. Keep your knees bent and on your next inhalation, open your right arm to the right and exhale, release your hand down. And inhale, left arm up and exhale, bring it down. Find your rhythm, rotate your torso and maybe follow the hand with the gaze. But if your neck does not like that, then you keep your gaze maybe on the floor or sideways. Continue to move at the pace of your breath. And don't let your mind wander. You bend your knees as much as you need to. Inhale up and exhale down. Last one. And the next time you exhale, bend your knees and bring your hands to your thighs. Come halfway, shoulders back and down. And when you're ready and on your next breath, extend your legs, come up to an upright. Relax your shoulders back and down. Hands on your hips, heel to your feet closer together. Walk it out and shake the tension off. From your Tadasana, bend your knees a little bit. Make sure your knees and your toes point on the same direction. And bring your right knee up, bend it. And externally rotate your hip so your foot is facing towards the left. Gyan Mudra, elbows in line with your shoulders. Rotate your torso to the left and breathe. Krishna playing the flute. Keep your feet active. And if you want, you can play and dance. And if you have a flute, you know what to do next time you play or not. And when we're ready, we're gonna inhale back to center and exhale, foot down and walk it out. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Bring your left knee up, rotate your hip so foot sole faces to the right. Gyan Mudra, elbows in line with your shoulders and rotate to the left. Play the flute. You can hold, dance, and play. And inhale back to center and exhale down. And we're going down to the floor. No fancy way, just find your way down. Now we're gonna use our noodle and place it at the center of the mat. You're going to sit on the edge of the noodle from your tailbone. Let your body go down, let your spine release, and your head down. If your noodle is not big enough and your head is on the floor, you can have an extra blanket to put your head. Just don't make it too thick. Something at the same level as your noodle, just for extra support. Alright, so adjust, bend your knees, bring them in, and here is where it gets fun. Keep your knees bent, bring your arms by your sides, and breathe here. Just feel that massage. You're gonna bring your arms at a goalpost posture, and on your next exhalation, bring your arms up towards each other. Your hands and your elbows may touch, but they don't have to. Inhale, open, and exhale, bring them closer together. Feel the massage between your shoulder blades, and breathe. Next time you inhale, open and release your hands by your sides. We'll take a few moments here. And keep your arms here and bring your right knee in and your left knee and bring your right arm up and your left arm. And the fun begins as you balance in your blanket. So this is not only fun, but you are also getting an awesome massage along the spine, and you're also activating your core muscles. Your stabilizers are kicking in to help you to keep your body on the blanket. And when you are ready, you're gonna come back to center and slowly and with control, gonna release your arms onto the floor and your feet on the ground. Take your time to do that and relax. Extend your legs and observe your breath. Notice your heartbeat, notice your breath. Bend your knees and bring your foot soles on the floor. Walk your feet mat width apart. And when you're ready, swing your knees side to side. come back to center and move your knees in. And when you're ready, heel to your feet back together. Bring your foot soles to touch and let your knees flare. Move your knees up and move onto your side. Take the blanket out of the way, return onto your back, and extend your legs on the mat. Adjust on your Shavasana and breathe for a few moments. If you'd like to stay longer on your Shavasana, you're welcome to do so. Otherwise, on your next breath, bend your knees and bring your foot soles on the floor and move onto your favorite side and lay on a fetal position. Take a few moments here. On your next inhalation, bring your top hand in front of your chest and exhale yourself up. Come up onto your seated position. Any seated position will do. Bring your hands together in Namaste, and we're going to seal our practice with our Metta mantra. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live in peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live in peace. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May all be safe. May all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand. And exhale. Inhale to Om. Om. Tuck your chin on your chest, open your eyes, gaze forward. Shower yourself with your own prana all around you and shake off all those stresses and tensions you don't need anymore. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Namaste. Hey yogis, if you enjoyed this content, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Also, if you want more yoga, I offer weekly classes through our virtual studio, link below. I look forward to more yoga time with all of you. Thank you again. Namaste.